Have you ever seen water walk? It sounds like magic, but it's something you can see for yourself. The walking water experiment is a fun and colorful way to understand how water moves, and it's perfect for curious kids like you. First, let's set the stage. Imagine you have two cups standing side by side. One cup is filled with water, and the other is empty. You might be wondering, how can water hop from one cup to the other? That's where the magic of science comes in. To make the water walk, you'll need a piece of paper towel, the two cups, and some food coloring. Start by pouring water into the first cup until it's about halfway full. Add a few drops of food coloring to paint the water a beautiful shade, maybe blue or red, something that will stand out. Now take the paper towel and twist it into a bridge that connects the two cups. One end should dip into the colored water, while the other hangs into the empty cup. What happens next is the fun part. Over time, the paper towel acts like a little transporter, using a process called capillary action. This is a scientific principle where water molecules climb the tiny spaces in the paper towel, like little adventurers. They use their fun skill to move up and over the towel, heading towards the empty cup. Slowly but surely, the colored water starts to trickle down into the empty cup. It's like the water is tiptoeing across a tiny invisible path made by the paper towel. As more water crosses, you'll notice the empty cup filling up with colored water, just like magic. But why does this happen? Capillary action is all about the way water molecules love sticking together and spreading out to hug surfaces. Think of how water spreads over a window, making tiny paths across the glass. In our experiment, the paper towel acts as a superhighway for those sticky water molecules. Try experimenting with different colors and see a rainbow of walking water. What happens if you use a thicker paper towel or different types of paper? You might be surprised to see how changing just a tiny detail can lead to a big adventure for your walking water. And that's the water walking experiment, a simple yet fascinating way to see science in action right at your kitchen table. So get your cups ready, dive into coloring, and watch as your water performs tricks that will amaze you. Enjoy the marvels of capillary action, and have fun with your very own magic water.